Okay, welcome back. This is Overcoming Fear and Greed. Now, today's lesson is going to be helping you to overcome the worst thing that you can have as a trader, which is fear and greed. To get over it, to overcome it, is crucial. I keep saying this word, crucial. It's crucial. It means you've got to listen to that word. In many aspects of life, overcoming greed and fear will help you become a better human. It'll help you not only to become better at investing, trading, it'll also help you to have better personal decision making. Both fear and greed can lead to irrational choices and hinder your ability to make well reasoned decisions. So, here's a couple of ideas for you to help you. First, you've got to recognize the emotion. The first step of acknowledging it is when you're feeling fearful or greedy. Awareness allows you to address these emotions consciously. When you start feeling like that, what you want to start doing is start going, no, I'm not going to do it, because if I'm starting to feel as though I'm missing out, I'm starting to show signs of being fearful. If the trade is going a lot further than you think, keep nudging your take profit up a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. You're being too greedy. Make sure that you can able to identify these triggers. So understand what these triggers and emotions create in you. Okay, what these feelings do, what these emotions start doing to you as a person. Is it the volatility, the news headlines, social pressures, or maybe personal finance situations? One of them will be the catalyst for you to be able to understand how to overcome fear and greed. Okay, so strategies to overcome it. You've got to educate yourself. Knowledge is a powerful tool against fear. The more you understand the situation, the less you fear it. So, what that means is all these courses, take your time, go through them all until they become second nature, become habit. That way, then, when you know more, you'll fear the market less. You've got to stay rational. So you've got to keep your emotions in check by focusing just purely on facts and data rather than speculating on a price, a level. You only start doing that once you start understanding how the market works. Then you can speculate once it's in the correct order flow or the way it's going in the trend, which trend's correct. What we want to look at is avoiding herd mentality. You've got to make decisions based on your own analysis and judgment, not just because others are doing it. And you've got to have a long term perspective. You've got to focus on long term goals instead of your short term gains. This will help you to avoid hasty and greed driven decisions. You've got to make sure you have regular review and adjustment. Periodically, review your strategies and decisions to ensure that they align with your goals and not just with the desire for quick profits. And make sure you have a balanced lifestyle. Ensure that your pursuit of balanced lifestyle. Ensure that your pursuit for financial goals doesn't overshadow the important aspects of your health, relationships, or maybe personal fulfillment. These are going to help you then, once you have a balanced lifestyle, become better, a more professional trader. Okay, some psychological aspects that could come with fear and greed is cognitive behavioral techniques. Using techniques to challenge and change unhelpful behaviors or distortions in your brain will help you become better as a human being, not just as a trader. And if you're having issues with this fear and greed and you're doing all the things that I've said to you, sometimes it's okay to ask for a little bit of help. It's okay consulting with a financial advisor or maybe a psychologist that can help you with valuable perspectives and strategies to overcome the fear, because there's a certain thing that you do and react from. I can't help in a psychological way, but what I can do is give you a little nudge in the right direction. This is what these courses are about, giving you the information for you to go away, digest, and understand. Okay, so managing fear and greed requires a combination of self awareness, education, planning, and emotional regulation. By developing strategies to handle these emotions, you can make more rational decisions, whether in financial markets or maybe in personal life. Just remember, it's about finding a balance and maintaining a level headed approach in all situations. Okay, so this is the last one in the emotional control section, overcoming fear and greed. I'll see you in the next section.